Hello and welcome. I'm Peter, and I'm here to walk you through how you can help your customers take advantage of the IRA or Inflation Reduction Act rebate program. This is a fantastic opportunity for them to make energy smart choices and save on advanced appliances like our LG heat pump dryer. So let's take a dive into how it works. The IRA rebate program is designed to make energy efficient appliances more accessible by offering instant savings. Now, for qualifying New York customers, this means they can get up to $840 off Energy Star appliances like heat pump dryers. This program is all about helping people transition from fossil fuel powered appliances to more efficient electric models, reducing their carbon footprint and energy costs. And at LG, we're proud to offer one of the largest selection of appliances that qualify for the IRA rebate, including heat pump dryers and washer dryer all-in-one units. These are designed to provide energy efficiency without compromising on performance. So here's what customers will need to have ready before they start the application. They're gonna need a clear idea of the appliance they wanna upgrade, for example, a LG heat pump dryer, and the specific retailer they plan to purchase from. They're also gonna need proof of income and utility eligibility. Now in New York, it's a recent pay stub they'll need and a utility bill. Finally, they'll need a photo of their current appliance that they're going to upload as part of the application. And once they have all this, the application process is pretty straightforward. They're going to go to the NYSERDA My Energy portal at plan.myenergy.ny.gov. They'll create an account or just log in if they've been there before, and they'll enter some basic details, name and address, housing and rental information, and they'll check their income eligibility. Next, they'll upload a photo of their current appliance and select their retailer. Then they'll need to give some basic information on the site, household members and their utility provider. Now, it's important to tell them to carefully confirm these details before affirming the submission. And the last thing they'll do is upload a recent pay stub and utility bill. And once everything's in, they can submit their application, and in a few days, they should receive a unique rebate code by email. Now be sure to point out that this code will be tied to the retailer they selected above. And I recommend encouraging your customers to come back and see you once they receive their code, because you can help them select the perfect qualifying product and schedule delivery for a seamless experience. By guiding your customers through these steps, you're helping them unlock meaningful savings and helping them make energy efficient choices with LG. And I hope this overview gives you the confidence to support them every step of the way. And thank you for watching. Remember, life's good when you help your customers make a smart investment in their home.